Hi, Janet. I tried 17 different ways to try and get Google Meet to screencast and show or present the movie. And I have high-speed internet, and I just think that Google Meet is designed to recognize a video so that you can't share streaming. Um, so I haven't found a way to make it work. I have heard in Zoom that you can do Netflix and stuff like that. So maybe there's another presenting format that you can do it in. The other thing that I could think of is a screencast, much like this, only I have the basic program, so you can't record it and then have sound playing on the screen. You can only have it recording your voice. So I'm going to show you how to access the movie, but I'm not sure as to how to present it quite yet. The one thing I do know is please do not give students my account. It is set up to automatically pay for movies. It is also my personal Gmail account outside of school. So please don't share my login and password information with them to watch it on their own. But after all that said, that this was the movie that you wanted, and if you just wanted to watch it yourself, or figure out a way that this is how you get into it. All right, so I'm going to show you how it's delayed when you have a Google Meet, but here I'm logged into my school account. So when you go to YouTube, which is where I purchased the movies, it's going to have, because I signed into Google and it's my Chrome setting as well, that it's going to automatically come up with this. So what I want to do is I just want to click on my profile picture there, and I'm going to go to switch account. Now I already have it set up, but if you're going to add in, you just say add account and then type in the travers.jennifer7@gmail.com, and the password is capital C, little ARLETON 00. And then once you click sign in from the prompt that will come up from the add account, that it will automatically go into my account. I, however, have already got that account, so I'm just going to switch over. And so what you're going to do is there's a whole list of things that I have a library. If you go through my library, you're actually going to find my personal videos of kids playing hockey. Not very exciting. So what you want to do is click on the left-hand side down to your movies. And when you click on that, you'll actually see all of my movies that I have to offer. If you like any of these, you're welcome to. Some of these I bought for me, some I bought for other colleagues, but they're all there anyway. So I've been watching Private Peaceful, so just a heads up, if you click on it and it starts in the middle of it, you can just scroll all the way back, start from the very beginning. So here's the problem, is that, and now I'm doing three things. However, so this is my alternative classroom that I had to set up for 2 kids in my 4U class because they said that the work was overwhelming and they weren't going to do it. So I set up an extra one. So I can set up a Google Meet, and I don't think it will impact the 2 kids very much. Whereas I think some other kids would get a notification that I'm doing a Google Meet and would like pop on in. All right, so I'm going to click join now. That morning hair, that's me getting up at 10 o'clock on a Sunday. All right, so I'm going to go to present now, and I know it's cut off a little bit at the bottom, sorry about that. And I'm going to click a tab, and it's going to show me all the tabs that I have open at the top, and I'm going to click Private Peaceful. And my dog's barking, 1 second. Come on in, let's go. All right, so the problem is, so I am now sharing my screen, and I know that I'm sharing this one in particular, and anytime I press play, it's just lags. It won't play it. It's like it's on a loop. So I'll just show you the differences between. So this is how it plays when I'm in the Google Meet, and that will pop up quite a bit. However, if I'm to close, and I don't know if I can, close down that Google Meet, then it plays like this. So I'm not sure it's going to work. I think it's set up so that Google knows that you can't stream its own videos, but I'm not sure if there's another platform, maybe Zoom, maybe something else that you find in which to show it to them. So that's just how you can access the movie. And if there's any other movies you'd like me to look at, I still have quite a bit of money on my account. So let me know.